Hi, welcome to Corastel TV. Today I'll show you another top two platform you can go and start working for and start smiling to the bank. I want you to go to your Chrome browser and search for your app name Sweetcoin. 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 What is Sweetcoin? This is a top app that you can go and start working for and start making money for yourself. So just go to your Chrome browser and search for Sweetcoin. So let me show you, this is the app. You can see it has over 1 million review and 50 million plus review. You can see this is how the app works. It pays to work. Just install it and start making money for yourself. Let me show you the review of the app in the Play Store. This is the app. You can see. Let me show you the review of the coins. I used to really love this app. The item that you could purchase with the sweet coins, yens, they are varied, and there was a good number of them. So this is a top app you can download for yourself and start making money for yourself So the number two app I'll be showing you, its name was ClipClap. ClipClap. I'm currently inside my ClipClap dashboard. Let me show you something. You can see. Assalamu alaikum. Just go to the home. You can see this is how it looks like. This is how the platform looks like. So let me show you the rewards I've already achieved. You can see I have first thing, just work on this platform and start making money. I'm going to show you my earnings on this platform. You can see 5.12 USD dollar. I've already earned 5.12 USD dollar. So I will have access to withdraw this money that if I reach what $10 threshold. $10 threshold. So let me just do the job for the day. I'm Spain. Say the coin have increased. Let me spin it. Let me task you'll be doing just by watching video, and you're going to get paid, and your coin can be converted into cash. Let me click on this coin. Let me go back. Let me exchange the coin. Let me go to my reward dashboard. This is my reward dashboard, you can see. So let me click on cash exchange. You can see exchange clap coins to US dollar. Let me click on it. You can see. So currently I've earned 0.06 cents. So I'll just exchange it. You can see it has increased again to $5.18. $5.18. So that's just it. What is the task? Just to watch video, and you are going to earn numerous rewards. So let me open this task again. So I have 25 clap coins, so the coin will increase. This is a verification that I'm truly working with this app, and they're genuine. So just watch this video. You can see this video that's currently playing, this cat video. The reward is going to add up. You can see the reward has add up. Once I click on it now, so I will then open it. Then it will increase. That's just it. That's the number two app I will be showing you for the day. So how can you download this app? Just go to your Google Play Store and search for ClipClap. So this is the app. You can see this is the app. This is how the app looks like. You can then download the app and start any money for yourself and start earning money for just to watch video and what sit back and start earning money for yourself. You can see we have 10 million plus people already download this app. So that's just it. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.